Hello everybody, welcome back to the next part of Fallout 3 Max Difficulty. We found the slaves that the slavers want us to find. And now it says I can go report them.
Ma'am.
We are
How
grateful
goes your
for any
study?
help.
Why are you
My name
talking
is
so
Bill.
much?
Bill Seward, if you please, sir.
What is that stone head?
That's Lincoln, sir. Hannibal found it. He wants to put it back, sir. I don't really understand why.
I mean, I'll help him put it back. This place is a dump. Why don't you just leave before the slavers find you?
Oh, sir, this place is heaven. Just a little bit of heaven here in the wasteland. Any slave makes it here, he's free. Just like that. And Mr. Hannibal, he's got a plan. A plan for heaven to be everywhere, not just here. Yes.
Oh, are you the one who lives in the bathroom? I think he is. So, Hannibal.
Ah, it is our newest brother. What can I do for you?
I can't... Oh. Why don't you let them stay here?
We don't have enough room. There's not enough water or food here. But I have a plan. A plan to take over a place that will be a shining beacon of hope for all slaves.
Wouldn't a beacon just attract the slavers?
You make jokes when the lives and freedom of our fellow men are at stake.
Is that a
I
joke?
tell you, I know a place that we can defend from the slavers.
Sounds dangerous. Where is this place?
I want to move all my people to the memorial site for the great Abraham Lincoln, but I need to know if it's safe. I've heard rumors of super mutants infesting that area, though. We need to send someone to check that out first.
Ah, yes. Don't worry about the super mutants. Slavers are in control of the memorial.
Slavers? Dear God, they must know about our plans. Do whatever you have to do to make the memorial site safe for my people. Before you leave, speak with Caleb. He'll need your help, too.
What is it that Caleb needs?
He was a stonemason. It will fall to him to restore the memorial as best he can. He's been pestering me for weeks now to get him some things he needs. I don't have time to deal with him right now.
Yeah, you seem super busy.
May the spirit of the great Lincoln protect you.
Okay, so there we go. Now we got
Good to see you.
the way to help them. Caleb, what do you need?
You're new. I'm
Caleb Smith.
If you're going to be staying a while, I could use some help.
What do you need, Caleb? Hannibal says you need something.
Hannibal told you about Lincoln's memorial?
He did.
Well, he doesn't just want to live there. He also wants to restore it. Make it so people tell stories about it and the word can get to the slaves. But I can't restore something if I don't know what it looked like. I need a drawing, a photograph of it.
I'll bet you know where I can find one.
Yes. There might be one in the Museum of History. Alejandra says they have a
Alejandra.
special exhibit all about Lincoln.
Ah, this is where I'm gonna find the Lincoln rifle. Okay. I have to go now.
Okay.
We gotta go find Lincoln's memorial or a picture of Lincoln's memorial. Is that where... Wait a minute. Where am I going? Lincoln Memorial. Oh.
Can we have something other than a...
Did it say I couldn't fast travel from here? Is that what it just said? You cannot fast travel from this location.
on it tonight?
I have to go outside? What the heck?
Terribly sorry, sir. It's what we got the most of.
Dum dum
Try
dum
frying it
dum
instead of
dum
boiling
da
it
dum
if you
da
like.
dum. Ah!
My way, mutt.
Bill found some ammo.
There's an angry lady upstairs. There we go. Alright. So now I should be able to fast travel, right? Okay, let's... Oh! What do you mean? How far away do I have to go before I can fast travel? Weird. Can I fast travel now? Museum of History, please. There we go. Oh, shoot. I need to find Fox still. Wait, isn't this Underworld? No. Where's Underworld? Unless it's in there. Underworld in here? Be convenient if it is. Are you a ghoul? Oh, this might be Underworld then. Hello? Is this Underworld? It is.
Heat up a cup of Aquacura before bedtime.
Fox
and
isn't
sail
here.
away on sweet dreams of a brighter future.
Hmm.
The amazing Aquacura. It's like a vacation in a
I don't know where Fox would be then. That's unfortunate. I know he glitches under the floor in this place.
Works. It's simple. Just drink one bottle with every meal.
I don't see it,
You'll
though.
start seeing the positive effects the very next day.
I don't care about your Acupura. I'm out of here. Hello? Uh-oh. Oh. That don't sound good. Oh. Hello, sir. Oh, wow. When did I start doing damage? That was a lot of damage, too. I don't remember that. Oh. Hey. Oh. Leave me alone. I'll do to you what I did to you. Ow! I said I'd do to you what I did to your friend. Oh, he's flying. There you go. No, thank you, sir. My cats are being annoying. They don't like each other very much. Oh, 50. I only have 40. At least we can unlock easy locks now. Okay. Actually do a little bit of damage. I really need to find Fox, though. Who's shooting who? Where did you come from? Alright. Go figure, if I actually level up, like, damage abilities, I do damage. It's amazing. Oh, hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Sir, please stop. Thank you. Ow. Reloading! Hey, everybody, I'm reloading. Ow. Oh yeah, I still need to go to a hospital to cure my addictions. Gotta remember to do that. That could be doing even more damage. Okay. So was it like a turret shooting these guys? Oh! Ow, yep. Average. Okay. It'd say I crippled part of the turret. That doesn't make sense. How do you cripple a turret? Where's the Lincoln rifle? I know it's OP. Hello? Oh, ow! Ow. Ow. Sir? I'm stuck. Oh, God. You do a lot of damage. Get good. There we go. Plasma rifle has always been one of my favorites. Getting a lot of spam calls today. Who got my phone number out? Who did it? Who's selling my information on the internet? I want some money for my information. Where is that Lincoln rifle? Pretty sure it's here. It's OP as hell, too. Has to be here. I don't know where else it would be. Lincoln's Diary. Oh. Okay. Lincoln's Diary. I don't know if I ever found that before. Yeah, the rifle has to be here somewhere. Hello? Oh, no, that goes to a different area. You guys have a bathroom around here somewhere? I need a drink. So this was guarding the area. I didn't see anything here, though. What's that? Oh, nothing. Ghouls, stop being ghouls. Be nice to me. I'm gentle. Or, not gentle, I'm fragile. Can I grab that? Oh, I missed it. I missed the goodies on the wall. I wish copyright didn't exist. The true Fallout experience is listening to the radio. I don't want to set the world on fire. I know. It was very close to the source material. You're welcome. Hello? Hello, sir. I remember when I did like 0 damage to you guys. I guess that changed. Let me just make sure we're on the right difficulty. Yeah, it's very hard. Ooh. Wastelander, you're not doing too well. My carry weight went to 210. Nice. Nobody's hiding anything good in the toilet? I'll take a bottle of Nuka-Cola right from the trash can. Sounds good to me. I love trash can Nuka-Cola. It's my favorite. Okay. Aqua Pura has worn off. I didn't realize Aqua Pura had like a status effect thing. I don't know what stat it was giving me, but okay. I hear footsteps. Now it's going to be scary if I see a glowing one, because I'm pretty sure they will be strong. Pretty sure they will be pretty tough to deal with. Nice to actually be able to kill things easily. It's been this whole playthrough that I haven't been able to do that. Actually clear out a dungeon without getting murdered. Snacks? Thanks. Still haven't found that Lincoln rifle anywhere. You hiding in the refrigerator. Pilot light, pilot light. Gonna get over encumbered. Yep. That's what I thought. Do I have anything I can repair? Oh, I have a crap ton of plasma rifles. I should do it. Crap ton of plasma rifles. I didn't kill you. Okay. Who's putting the bear traps down that they're stepping on? Okay. This is where I was. Where is the Lincoln rifle? Might not even be in this section of the building, but I'm still going to check my corners. Wastelander. Ow. Probably were wondering why I meowed randomly. It's because my cat behind me did. Coffee mug. Ow. Bear trap. I gotta get the quest where you give the lady the Nuka-Cola Quantums, because that's the whole reason I don't use them at all. Just because there's a quest randomly somewhere out in the middle of nowhere where she wants Nuka-Cola Quantum. Is that everything for this location? Seems like it. Let's check the next part. Which is through here. Museum of History offices. Oh, I hear a lot of footsteps. Like there's a lot of them. A lot of them. Not pick that. Oh, I want to though. Gonna get over encumbered again from all these food items I'm getting. Hello? Oh, jeez. Hello? Where are you? Romer. I crippled his head. Oh, hello. Okay. Ah! Ugly! You ugly son of a bitch. Hold on, reloading. Do a flip! Oh, hello. An Action Abe figurine. Oh, that was the door that was locked, okay. Just went the long way. Over encumbered, oh yeah. Ah! 10 more points for that. Make a beer. Yeah, it gives me a carry weight. I'm gonna get addicted to beer. Can I level up so I can unlock these average locks? That'd be nice. I don't want to miss the Abe rifle, because I feel like I have in this location before. 10 mil rounds. Had some top of the line, oh, very easy. Top of the line, security in this area. Missed that last shot. They do not sound happy. You'd think they'd be happier with me after I took out the turret that's been shooting them to death, but you know. Oh yeah, I hear you guys. There's a lot of them. Yeah, I wanted a better hit chance. Thank you. Right under his armpit. Ow, stop it. Ow, stop it. Ow, stop it. Thank you. Didn't get XP for killing that one? He was too low on health, apparently. Oh, that one just disappeared out of existence. Well, if that's the case, I'm going to do a little bit of a save, just in case that causes my game to crash. He just poofed. Haha, what are you going to do? I'm in here and you're out there. Oh, he's taking the long way around. I hear him. There he is. Why is my hit chance so bad? Oh, did I stun you there? Unfortunate. Or, oh, I didn't need whatever I just grabbed there. What was that? What did I grab? Wait, they're 30 value? Yeah, okay. There it is. It was the earnings clipboard. Earnings clipboard! Don't need that either. There you go, keep that. Ow, hey! Knock that off. Oh my gosh, you can fly. Squeeze me, sir, but you're in my way. Alright, well, let's unlock this. Ching! Knife. You're not getting through me, I got a knife. It's not a knife, this is a knife. Like how alcohol gives you more carry weight, that's funny. I can lift it, no problem. Hello. What are you guys upset about? That's a lamp. I haven't been over here yet? I thought I was. Yeah, that's where I went through. So where are they at? Oh, they're probably upstairs. Oh, that's a glowing one. Uh-oh. That's not good. Okay, we're in danger. Run away. Frag mines. Oh, run. Here you go. Ow. That almost killed me. Ooh. Okay. Will help with my carry weight, at least. Squirrel stew? Squirrel on a stick? Hold on, I need to reload. Hold on, I'm reloading again. Ow! There you go. Okay, we're good. Glowing ones are the scary ones. My beer wore off. Oh, we ate all that food, so now I'm not over encumbered, so that's good. Hate it when the beer wears off. Hey! Ow! Stop it. Yeah, I went that way. Where is the Lincoln rifle? Oh, here's the president they or the president, the picture they wanted of the memorial. Completed. Take it back to Caleb. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, but I want the Lincoln rifle. Should be in here somewhere. Oh. Oh, I hope it's not locked. Oh, good. Lincoln rifle. Chinese Army Spec Ops booklet. Yay, we got the Lincoln rifle. Where is it? Lincoln rifle? Like my favorite weapon. There it is. It does 38 damage. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Heck yeah. I think hunting rifles fix it too. Use 44 caliber, so. I don't know why the 44 revolver has to use that, like, hunting scope too. I don't really like that. Well, we got the Lincoln rifle. I don't know if there's anything else hidden in here that's good too. We're gonna try to take a full look around. Might have been it though. Yay, the Lincoln rifle. There was a raider at it too. He was trying to take my rifle. How dare he? The ghouls ate him alive, so it's okay. So, like, there's a bunch of feral ghouls in here, and it's next to Underworld. Did the ghouls from, like, Underworld just send the ferals here, and, like, there was just normal people hiding out, and then the ghouls just killed them? Probably. Alright, so I think we can get out of here now. I think we can get out. Wait a minute. Is that, like... Oh, there's like a generator above the turret. I wonder if you could just break the generator and it would have killed the turret. Be pretty cool. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see about getting out of here. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, oh, I'm walking into a chair. I thought my game was crashing. I was like, what happened? No, we're good. Any chance there's a source of water? Really like a source of water. Can I get a glass of water? Please, glass of water. Blech. It's fine, we don't need it.
Extreme epidermal exfoliation. It's something we all face.
Yeah, it is.
We all had to face it.
Well, I don't know where Fox went. Makes me sad. I wanted him to be my follower again, but is what it is, I guess. Wonder if he could have gone back to the vault. Hello, everybody. Back. Caleb.
You have a picture. And such a large one, too.
You're welcome.
I'll have no problems restoring the memorial with this. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So now I need to deal with the slavers. Wonder if I can talk no jutsu and make them leave. Oh yeah, they're not... Why do you not let me fast travel out of here? Hey, what do you guys have for trade? I have a bunch to sell. Hello?
Here to acquire a new mantle of metal or mesh?
What are you, armor? I'm here to buy.
If the clothes make the man, then here are the means to remake yourself.
Yeah, he has a bunch of combat armor. Take your stims. And that pistol. And that pistol. And that submachine gun. I have 2 laser pistols? Where's Colonel Autumn's pistol? Where is it? There it is, Colonel Autumn's. So I'll just sell these laser pistols. Laser rifle you can have. Oh, he doesn't have enough for that. Okay. He does not have enough for my laser rifle. Got it. 184? That's too much as well. Man, the mines could come in handy, though. That's the only thing. Pulse grenades you can have. And some frags. That's fine. Thank you, sir.
Give me a shout if you need anything.
Bye-bye. Alright. Canterbury Commons. Why do I know the name of that place? Alright. Lincoln Memorial. And fast travel. Why? Stop fucking with me, game. Who are you? Oh. What are you doing out here?
We are grateful for any help you can give us.
That's not how you hold a gun either, sir. Alright, well, you do you. Strange world we live in. Aqua Pura is worn off. I guess I drank like a ton of bottles of it.
The memorial is off limits.
It's gonna be off limits for you if you don't be careful. Crashed in here before. Hi.
Is there something else?
Oh. Wait. Kill all the slavers near the Lincoln Memorial. Oh, okay. What'd you pick up off the floor? Wow, he lived with 1 HP.
What? Ah!
Well, there goes one of them. Yay, I can finally fix my shotgun. I was like, what can I do? It's like, just murder him. Alright, sounds good. Hey! Missed. Missed again. He's not gonna miss. He's got my back, at least he can aim. I can't aim for shit. Alright, that's another one. Where you guys hiding?
Yeah, you want some?
You don't even got a name, you're just a slaver. Now you really don't have a name. Yeah, I'll take that, fix my rifle. Oh! Guys, calm down. You know, I'm just, you know, killing all your friends. It is what it is. Don't take offense. Oh, sneak went up? I'm pretty sure I'm at 100%. We'll use some stims. I got more where that came from. Critical. I'm gonna die. Why did I miss, man? I don't know how I hit that one. I'll take it, though. Sir, please. There we go. There's more. Where are you, fellers? They're at the backside. Ooh, there's a grenade there. What type of grenade was that?
Anybody there?
No. Do I have a stealth boy? Nope.
I was sure I heard something.
What was that? Hello? Who's there?
No one.
You like that?
Yeah, you want some of this?
Ah! Stop running around! Look at him! He's juking me! Goodness! He just picked up his buddy's gun. Think fast, Pilgrim! I think he was saying you liked that, and then I finished him off. Alright, there we go. Oh, and we leveled up. Alright, I want to get my lockpick to 50. You know what? We'll do 45 and put this to 60. Oh, okay, we got one more. Slap it in barter, I guess. Okay, what we got? Action Boy. With the Action Boy perk, you gain an additional 25 action points to use in bats. So just a flat 25. Your limbs only receive 50% of the damage. Yeah, but I get damage back to them, so that's kind of useless. Ooh, 20% health bonus when using stims. This perk, you have a higher chance to score a critical hit on an opponent in combat. Ooh. That's pretty good. Strong back. Oh, you can carry 50 more pounds. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna get finesse. We'll get probably strong back next time. Because, that's a high percentage to, that. Was there anything here that was interesting? Oh, well, I can sleep at least. Heal up to full. Oh, something wore off. Med-X. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Alright, we can head back and tell them that the slavers are all gone. We saved the day again, thanks to the Lincoln rifle. Thanks to the... Oh, God. Nothing exploded. Okay. Let's go tell everybody the good news. They can move out of there and actually get a place that's pretty cool. Hello, fellows. I saved the day. You're welcome.
Hey,
Don't go to sleep. Wake up.
everything is done? I can hardly believe it. We are finally going to realize the dream.
You're welcome.
We'll start out within the hour. We'll meet you at the site.
Alright. Meet Hannibal at the memorial. So now I gotta run away from this place again, just so I can fast travel. Gotta take care of Paradise Falls, too. Get that off the map. Alright, let's see. Where is that at? Telling me to go to the mall northwest, okay. Should I just wait? Wait 24 hours or something. Just wait. They're probably taking their sweet time to get here. Hello? Let me just go over to the memorial. Maybe he's already there. Might be bugging out a little bit. Hopefully it didn't bug. They're probably just taking their sweet time getting across the wasteland is what I'd guess. I'll just wait another 24 hours, I guess. Oh, did I hear something? Oh, I think I see him. Hello, are you there? Yeah, I think that's them. I'm coming. Already running out low on 44 ammo. I'm gonna have to look at like all the stores and just keep buying it. Hey guys.
Thanks for the picture.
Oh, that's
You have been good to your word. You are welcome at the Temple of the
sir.
Union
Watch where
anytime.
you're aiming that.
Take these schematics as a token of our gratitude.
Oh, dart gun. What will you give me for this toy of Lincoln?
It's a small thing, but I'll give you 10 caps for it.
Come on, man. You can do better than that.
You take when we have so little. So be it. We will enshrine this right away.
I have Lincoln's diary.
The words of the great man himself? In his own handwriting? I'll pay 100 caps for it.
Come on, man. You can do better.
I suppose I can afford that?
Alright, cool. No. I want Lincoln's rifle.
Bye.
You can't have Lincoln's
It's
rifle.
given
I'm
me a
sorry,
lot
buddy.
to do.
Alright, cool.
Hello!
Hi! I'm glad you're excited.
Hey,
Howdy. Alright, so they're all set. Did it.
You're
Saved
a
them.
hero to everyone here, ma'am.
It is. What about me? Alright. Yeah, it is. Aiding the outcasts. I think that's where I can get the invisibility armor. So we should do this. Alright. Guess we'll go from, let's just go from where we are, I guess. Yeah, because I believe the outcasts I can get the stealth armor. Still don't know what happened to Fox. Kinda upset about that. Ow. Ow. Oh. These are just dead dogs. I remember you. How you doing, sir? Lots changed in the world since we last met. Yeah, because with the stealth armor, I can just actually use my stealth stats and get crits constantly. So, we'll finally make the stealth worth our time. Yep. Oh, somebody got dusted. Raider, apparently. I probably did that forever ago. Guys, I don't know why you do that to the corpses. That's very, unsanitary. You're gonna get sick. You shouldn't play with your food. Oh, the door's broken off. Like, don't put the loading door there. Just put it a few steps forward. Huh. Apparently I've been here too. Maybe not. It might not be me, but somebody's leg got blowed off. Hello? Anybody in here? Got my Lincoln rifle with your name on it. So do I have to go up top, or is it going to be further this way? Hello, Kiki. Hello, Kikis. Why you bugging me? Why you bugging me? Nothing. Nothing. Where are we going? Oh, hello. Got a pack of cigarettes. And Marlboro Reds. Oh, this is near Rivet City. Why did I go this way then if I could just Oh. It's just leading me out of Rivet City? Okay. Oh hey.
I'm just here to...
Doc.
Welcome.
What you got? What you got
Tell me
for
what
sale?
you need, and maybe I've got your fix.
Ooh, he's got the Nuka grenade schematic. Why not? Well, what else are we gonna buy? Bunch of food items. I don't want to sell the food items. You can have these. That. Well, I don't need an assault rifle if I have the Chinese one. And my rifles. Laser rifle. Okay, I did not have enough for the laser rifle. Let's see, where can I buy from him then? Buy all his food stuffs. There you go.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers, pal.
protect the merchandise.
Protect the merchandise. He was saying protect, but I interrupted him. Now it's just tech the merchandise. Got a long way to go. Yeah, do I have a location closer to there? I do. I have a lot. Let's just go to the library. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I hear a helichopper. Don't you drop those Enclave off near me. Don't you do it. I'm gonna run. How do I get over there? That's a dead end. That's a lot of dogs. What the? There's one. Ow. Ow. Doggy, stop chewing on me, please. Okay, we're good. Now we eat them. They're still over there. Trying to figure out how I get to where I need to go, and I think it's that way. Oh. They're all going in over there. What the? Oh. Oh. Oh, gosh. Oh, my lord. What is happening? I'm curious. Wait. You know, they always say curiosity killed the cat, but I'm not a cat, so it should be alright. Oh. Why are they blowing up? Oh. That's why they're blowing up. Oh. I remember checking this place.
Oh!
Oh. So, did the Raider win, or did the Enclave win? Sounds like they're still fighting. That's a dead end. Enemy eliminated. Ooh, I get to sneak in after all the bad stuff happened and scoop them up. Security breach? Yeah. The security is this. You doof. Ooh. Don't butt rush me. Oh. He's butt rushing me. No, he got me. Oh. Dang it. The Enclave is still really strong. Go figure. Try that again. Investigate the radio signal. Okay.
This is a high priority message. Backup is needed at our location. Any personnel listening on this frequency, please report at once.
No need to hide.
Okay, I listened to it. Oh, look. Food. Apparently they were wrong, because now they're shooting each other. Oh, that guy didn't make it this time. That's stronger than mine. 31 and 5. 23 and 6. So the helmet is better. Not by much. Wait, energy weapons plus 10? Wow. Just makes your energy weapons do more damage? Wait. Oh. Why have I even been using energy weapons if my energy weapons is 13? Huh. We're not gonna worry about that then. Oh, sorry, sir. My goodness, I apologize. You kind of deserve it, though. You guys are evil. I can't see. Oh, now I really can't see. He's already dead, mysterious stranger. Okay. Well, takes care of that. That was much better than the first time. Plasma mine. He had a rocket launcher, but no... Or, yeah, a missile, but no rocket launcher. Nuka grenade. You do not have the items required. Nuka grenade. Nuka-Cola Quantum. Tin can. Turpentine. A Broxo cleaner. Oh. Yeah, here's the raider that was holding down the fort. Oh, nothing there. Look at all these safes. Where'd you get all these? Oh, I forgot. I need to go clear... How long am I gonna keep forgetting to go clear my, addiction? That's 50. Unfortunate. One more level and I'll be able to open average locks. I feel like I was up here before and there wasn't all this stuff, so did these show up later in the game, maybe? Oh yeah, look at that. He also had one on his shelf. Where did you get all these safes from? Or where were you collecting all these safes from? Yeah, he's a scientist. He's got a chemistry station. Alright. I'd love to go cure my illnesses right now, but I'm gonna try to get to this location. That went a little better than the first time I attempted that. Oh no. Is there more Enclave coming? Oh, they're just dropping more guys off there. Well, you guys can have fun. I already dealt with that. I crippled the turret. Is hiding something in here? Empty. Oh yeah, a bunch of ammo. I see. Oh, average. Only problem with getting a bunch of grenades is that I can't carry them all. They do come in handy when I get an enemy I'm not really that good at killing, though. My rifle's already almost out of ammo.
You like that, huh?
No. No. Who said I liked that? Watch your language, sir. Why'd I have to leave you at 1 HP? I also crit you at 1 HP. You guys are very aggressive. You scare me. Hey, watch where you're throwing that. Oh my gosh, they have rocket launchers. They got rocket launchers, but they are shooting it into the wall. Wow, nice crit. You think it would have done more, though. There he goes. No, thank you. Nah, you're just gonna come back if I let you go. I know you are. Let you guys get away once before. It's gonna end well for me, usually. Oh, God. Was that the one who came at me with the hammer? Nope. I'd rather you not blow me up. That's the one who's running.
Don't kill me.
I might. Where's the one with the rocket launcher? Did you do it? Oh, she did it. Oh, I don't have good... Why is it not 95? She's gonna blow us both up. Okay, there we go. I stopped her. She almost send me to Kingdom Come. She was aiming at the floor, too. She was ready to do it. Okay. Let me eat some food. Fancy snacks, dog meat, some dirty water, crispy squirrel bits. All my favorites. Just raw Salisbury steak out of a box, you know, yum. Alright, now we have a rocket launcher to use for a bit. Where'd that go? Look at all these plasma rifles I got. Oh my goodness. Where's my rocket launcher? I don't see it. Missile launcher, that's why. It's not rocket, it's missile. Missile? There we go. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. That raider really did want to send us to the moon. A Nuka-Cola Quantum, wonderful. And I'm over encumbered. Oh, that's classic, isn't it? Oh, easy enough. We can just repair some of these plasma rifles. Alright, everybody. I'm going to leave this part off here. I hope you get... Oh, hold on. Let me take care of this fellow first. I was trying to end the part, and you interrupted me. I crippled his leg. There we go. Now we can end this part off. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please let me know by leaving a like, comment what you thought below, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Later, everybody.